Good morning and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Oil prices settled lower on expectations for a US-Iran nuclear deal that could result in sanctions being eased and more barrels released onto the global market. Trump said that the US was getting close to securing a nuclear deal with Iran, and Tehran had sort of agreed to the terms. US stocks were mixed, with gains in Cisco Systems following an upbeat forecast, while United Health tumbled after a report of a criminal investigation into the insurer. The S&P 500 further recovered from a deep sell-off in April, triggered by President Trump's global trade war. Coinbase rejected a $20 million ransom demand after insiders leaked user data in a phishing scheme. The exchange expects up to $400 million in reimbursement and remediation costs. Less than 1% of Coinbase's monthly transacting users' data was affected by the attack.
The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.